Here I will explain applications of discrete random variable. First application is application in civil engineering. If we want to find load on specific point in a beam, we can use discrete functions to find loading at each point on a beam. Suppose a loading on a long thin beam places mass only at discrete points. The loading can be described by the function that specifies the mass at each of the discrete points. Similarly, for the discrete random variable x, its distribution can be described by a function that specifies the probability at each of the possible discrete values of x. Second application is statisticians use sampling plans to either accept or reject batches or lots of construction material. Suppose one of these sampling plans involves sampling independently 10 items from a lot of 10 items in which 12 are defective. Next, applications in electrical engineering. If we want to find probability of circuits accepted or not, if number of given integrated circuit would be accepted or rejected, we use discrete random variable. Next application is if we want to find the number of semiconductor wafers that need to be analyzed in order to detect large particle of contamination in p-type and n-type, or in doping material, we use random variables or discrete random variable. Next, application in business. In any business firm, there is a communication system with a certain number of lines to communication data and voice communication. If we need to know the probability of how many lines are working at one time, we use discrete random variable.